Hey friends, welcome to my channel. It's Gabrielle Ishell here, and today we have a realistic clean with me video. And when I say realistic, I mean realistic because as quick as I can say realistic is how quick we skip to the next day. So I started off on Monday thinking I'm going to clean, and I just wasn't feeling it. So I took my trash out because trash day is Tuesday morning, and that was it. So now it's Tuesday. I got home from work and I am going to clean. It's a trend in my videos that I'm staying dressed in my work clothes or my church clothes, because if I come home and I change my clothes and I sit down for even a second, guess what? I'm not going to clean because I'm going to be relaxed and I'm just not going to feel like getting back up to clean. So that is why I like to keep on my work clothes to start cleaning. After I get in the groove, I can go ahead and change because my mind will be tricked into just wanting to continue to clean up what I started. I just broke my picture frame trying to kill a bug. Oh, look at me when I turn 30. I'm cute. Look at this. Quick fix. I'm just gonna throw this in here. I'm gonna have to glue it. For now, still stands. You can tell that it's not together, but it works for now. So glad it didn't really break though. Reminder, we have this flower there from Saturday early actually. So I really need to clean this floor. But I have some things from my trip to Wegmans that I'd never unpacked. So my mangoes. And this jerk seasoning. Really excited for that. So gonna empty out the dishwasher and wash some dishes. I got these ice cream bowls or dessert bowls from Amazon last week for my ice cream making. And so I only unboxed one because I really needed it for that video that I was making that night. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of them. So it was in a box of 6. I don't put Amazon boxes on my counter, so it's on the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the dishes. I've been loving my ice cream maker, so you guys gotta check out some of my ice cream videos. I've been posting different recipes that I find either online or in my Cuisinart recipe booklet. They are so good. So if you don't have an ice cream maker, you should ask for one for Christmas. It is definitely a game changer. I haven't bought ice cream since I started using my ice cream maker. So I'm just gonna let them soak for a couple hours. Whenever I get new dishes or cookingware or whatever, something that my food or drink goes inside of, I like to let it soak in warm soapy water before I actually get to washing it or using it. So first we're going to get our stove. You can see all the grease from when I made the sausage on Sunday morning. Yeah, needs to go. went to Bath and Body Works the other day and I got a lot of stuff. I went in there as always for one or two things and I came out spending like $60. Now, this is something that I do not do on a regular. I've been meaning to do it though because as you can see in the first clip, I had something on my cabinet, and with white cabinets, you can see clearly if it's dirty. It's nice to do a spot clean every once in a while. Now, on top of my microwave, I try to clean this off more often because it's disgusting up here after a while, and I'll show you what it looked like after wiping it down. So before I clean the floors, I wanted to take the time to clean off these mats because I feel like too often I'm cleaning the floors, but if the floor is dirty, that means the mat is dirty because the same feet that is walking on the floor is walking on the mat. So every once in a while, I do like to clean these down. I just use some Mrs. Meyer's spray. It's in the lavender scent, and I get the top and the bottom of the mat. Before I start to wash the floor, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my salmon. I'm just using this pineapple habanero sauce that I got from Costco, and I season it and then I put it in the oven for I think like 45 minutes or so, and then I put some rice on the stove and just a quick and easy dinner for tonight. And here you see my outfit change. So I knew I was going to be doing the floor. I can't wash the floor in a dress because people are watching. So I changed into something more comfortable. I like to use my Murphy's soap to get my hardwood floors. They're real wood and they are very fragile, so I have to be careful about how much water I'm putting down when I clean the floors. I have to make sure I wring out the rag thoroughly before starting to wipe the floor down. Love me a clean kitchen. Floors are done. Just gonna do the bathroom real quick, and then I'll put the stools back out, and my food should be done. I think I have like 9 minutes left. 8 minutes. Then I gotta come back to wash the little ice cream bowls and stuff I use to measure the rice. Look at this, just spilled some water. That's great, so great. Do y'all see that? I almost moved out. It's hair. Yeah, I'm team natural, but dang, how did I even get down here? I literally almost moved out, y'all. Oh, look, there's more water. I have 3.5 bathrooms in my house, but guess what? I only use the one in my master bathroom. Maybe 99% of the time I use that one. So the one that's like in the kitchen, living room area. It's really for guests. Even if I'm downstairs in my office and I have to use the bathroom, I'll go up 2 flights of steps just to use the bathroom. It's just a comfort thing. I just feel more comfortable using the bathroom than I always use. And something that I'm not sharing with other people. Although I do keep it clean, it's just a preference of mine. Now, let me show you what I got from Lowe's a couple weeks ago. I have been in my house for, it will be 7 years in December. And it's a new build home, a new construction home. As the house settles, things crack and pop and all that stuff. So I got some caulk that I need to caulk up some of the things around the house, like by the windowsills and all that stuff. So that is going to be a project. I really need to do that ASAP. And then I also need to change the filter in my refrigerator. And that wraps up my Tuesday night. And now it's Wednesday. I didn't really clean this day. When I got home, I had about an hour before my church's Bible study. So I just watched that online and I just chilled for the rest of the night. Then it's Thursday and I have some Amazon boxes that I'm going to unbox and do like a little mini haul. So I've been trying to figure out how to decorate this like mirror shelf that's sitting on my wall. And I finally found these cute little vases from Amazon that have these faux flowers in it. And of course they're pink. They go with my living room. I think I like this one and this one the best. This one is definitely too big for what I was going for, but I will show you. And it has the name of it. I would probably make a new sticker to put my name or something. And this looks kind of more cheesier than the others. Definitely too big. So right now I have these yellow vases. I just wanted to see how it would look if something were to take up that space. So I'm gonna take these down. And I'll show you the big one first. How it's probably too big. Yeah, these flowers make it too big. This alone would be okay. It's hanging off a little bit, but the flowers definitely push it over. So that's a no. And then these two are the ones that I said I like the most. Mix it up. There's pink and there's white for the base. Let me show y'all the one I DIY'd myself. I bought this glass container. I bought some beads and some marbles to put at the bottom, and then this fake water. It's just like acrylic. And then these flowers, I think they were from Michael's. And I made it myself. So I could actually do that if I wanted to, because I have enough glass containers to do that. But it's just like finding the right flowers. I'm going to change this one out just to see how it looks. So I like these two because they're both light colored flowers, but I like these two because they're both the same color base. And I think I'm gonna go with this pink one here. Yeah. So I'm gonna pack these ones back up. The rule of thumb is if you have a 20 by 20 pillow, you get the next size up pillowcase. So these ones are, I think 20 by 20 because I have 18 by 18 pillows. So I learned something. They're pretty soft from what I feel right now. These are huge. So these ones are gonna go on my bed. I'm gonna change up my bed a little bit. I cut the pillow when I was trying to open it. Oh, oopsies. Y'all, it's raining outside. Why did they put this package outside? Like, what's wrong with this? They put it out here. I hope it's bagged or something inside because this is a mess. It's soaked. Things are already falling apart. Soggy box. I want to open it to see how much damage has been done. Exactly what I said. Another box inside. Why would they? That's really irritating. I hope this isn't damaged. And it's not. Thankfully. 1, 2. This one is a little wet, but not damaged. Thank God. It is literally so beyond me why, 1, delivery drivers do not ring the doorbell anymore, and 2, why they will put a package outside and not right directly under my little awning. That makes no sense. Y'all, I cannot make this up. My washer has an error on here, and then when I open the washing machine, I'm surprised to find that this is open. I guess it's unzipped to fit in the packaging, but look at this. It was all up in the little rim here. I'm gonna have to like really clean this freaking washing machine now. So if I take it out, like, this is crazy. Let me show y'all the best part. Look at all of that. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna try to stuff it in here too. This is probably one of the most important things that I do around my house. Just keeping up with the maintenance of my washer and dryer machine, because those things are expensive too. A couple $1,000s for a quality washer and dryer. But the thing is, they get dirty because, there's a lot of water and water sitting there that can cause mold. So every other month or so, I will take this tray out and clean the gunk inside of it. And it looks so disgusting, but it's normal for these type of washing machines. So I usually spray it with Clorox or Lysol cleaner, can get this grime. And then I also take the tray and into my guest bathroom and scrub. I go to work on this thing, spraying it again with that Lysol and scrubbing it with an old toothbrush. I'll take the little inserts out because there's like gunk underneath that too. And then I'll put it in the bathtub to rinse it out to make sure I got everything. And then I also go in with a washing machine cleaner. This time I'm using the Tide cleaner with Oxy. It's supposed to remove odor and residue. And you would think, well, some people would think, I used to think this, if a washing machine is washing clothes, how does it get dirty? But it does. All right, this pillow just likes to unzip. That's the issue here. So now it's all over my dryer. That's great. Luckily, it's almost dry, so I'm just gonna let these sit on the drying rack to finish drying. Since it's just me here, I don't do this monthly. I do it every other month. It's so satisfying once I'm done. So once I'm done washing the inside, I also wipe down the outside because, you're touching it after touching dirty clothes. So it's going to get dirty. Then one of the most important parts of washing or maintaining your washing machine is to get the filter at the bottom. So at the bottom, water builds up here and you have to allow it to come out somehow. So you have to take this like little tube and let the water go through it. And I usually just pour the water into a bucket. But then once you're done letting the water out, you'll have to unscrew this little, I guess it's called a filter, but you'll see sometimes there's stuff in there and you have to take that out. Now it's all clean and we can start washing clothes again. So you all just saw my hallway. It's like a catch-all. Everything that doesn't have a home just sits in the hallway. So I'm gonna tidy this up a little bit. I feel really accomplished after I do a good cleaning. And although, as you can see, this wasn't just in one day, it was over 4 days. It's still like a really good feeling to have a nice clean house. Thank you so much for cleaning with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Click the like button. Also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Happy cleaning.